I'm about to try some really weird candy. I mean, it's not really weird, it's just weirdly made. I'm getting ready for this event for quite a while now. I mean, you need special practice, you need to eat like a lot of candy, you know, to get ready for that. For the start, I got this enormous box of Munchmallows. It's like really huge. And inside the box you got four little boxes, and in each box you got 6 Munchmallows, and this is one of the best thing ever. It's not like a real marshmallow, it's so much better because you also get the cookie and the chocolate. Whoever thought of that was a genius. Seriously, you don't need to invent some great, enormous, unbelievable stuff. You can simply do something that people fall in love instantly. Then I got fantastic white chocolate tour de fil. It's like the real tour de fil, except it's white chocolate. Ooh. I have no idea how to get this out. You can get a mold so you can create a new one once you eat the old one. That's so fantastic. I don't want to break it, I just really don't want for it to crack. Here it is. It's so beautiful. And since I have a mold, I can really create like 2 of them and put them together, or 4 of them, and create a whole real little tour de fil. That'd be so great. For the lovers of white chocolate, this is the perfect gift you can bring for Paris. I mean, it's so much better than one of those keychains, you know. I mean, this. They're perfect copies. Then I have the only thing that could be considered a little bit weird. Taste of chocolate. Finest dark chocolate with aloe vera. Is that weird plant? The cactus kind of style, but it's not really weird plant. It's just used for creams and stuff like that, so it's really weird to be put in chocolate. Such pretty little chocolate. I'm going to take this piece that has actual piece of plant on there. Slightly bitter, so you can see that it's like candies, and if I wouldn't know that this is aloe vera or whatever, I would think that it's probably the pineapple. But it tastes good, it's interesting, but in a really good way. Like, it's absolutely lovable. It's yummy. And the coolest of all things, chocolate puzzles. And they have this really super cute kitty on them. Can you imagine that chocolate can look so good and be so pretty? It's amazing. Ta-da-da-da. You can really play with this. I always like puzzles. Just so much fun. Okay. Haven't break any, that's really great. I've lost one piece. Where did it go? Seriously? Ta-da! I've managed to put it back together. It only took me a little time. This is my first chocolate puzzle ever, so I'm very proud of myself. I'm so good at puzzles. I wish I would be this talented with something else as well. I have to try it. I don't want to eat the cat, but I want to try this color. I'm going to go with the red. You know that the red edible color is made of this teeny tiny like lace or something that grow on a cactus. Think of that next time you're going to eat something red. Even the ice cream, everything red pretty much. I wonder how this is printed. Imagine now with these all new 3D printers, you could have printer for food at home. You would create like super pretty food on your computer and then you'd be able to print it. That would be so much fun. I really have great ideas for great inventions. Almost like the Munch guy.